All right, we said it was going to be a 50-50 shot if the cover was on the pool. Yeah, the month of October, it's always a 50-50 shot. Let's see what we got. Rectangle pool. There we go.
Hey, good morning.
Hello. Oh.
Nice day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. A little safety ledge. No stairs. Low wall. No light. What is this, like one of those above ground pools that they buried? Is everything accessible underneath? Like if you took the deck boards up? Or is it all dirt behind there?
All dirt.
Yeah.
There's concrete under there.
Oh, okay. Oh, you built the deck up on the patio after?
Yeah, the blocks sunk.
Yeah.
The concrete blocks.
So the skimmer looks like one of those above ground pool skimmers, 1091. We'll measure that. All right, Josh, let's do an overall length. Or we can do width right here. Sixteen. All right, 16 foot wide. 6-inch radius pool corners. 1632. 6-inch radius pool corners. All right, Josh. Hard tape me right here on the back slope.
Maybe starting off there.
No, just hold me. I'm gonna measure to the seam. All right, so we got a 6 foot back slope. Hold me right above that seam. 4 foot. Hold me above this seam. 6 foot. Hold me right here on that seam of the wood. All right, so let's see. So, what did we say? So if it was 16 and 6 foot is 22, plus another 4 is 26, and then another 6 on the back slope makes it 32. So hold me right here, Josh. Measure. Did you bring the pole out?
Yes.
All right, cool. Because we're gonna need that. All right, 6 foot side slopes. 6 foot side slopes. Yeah. All right, let's switch up on the other camera maybe. Can I borrow your back pole and net for a second? Yeah. I'm gonna use it to make a down and out stick. All right, 40 inches on the shallow. All right, I want to real quick just measure this skimmer. Outside to outside is 7.5. 7.5. 7 1/8 to the top. Okay. 83 inches. That's another 4. Let's make it a 7-footer.
Let's try to go with this one.
Think I'll make it down.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we were getting, 7 foot. 7 foot to the floor to the water, plus 4. 7'3". Safety red. Six inch safety wedge. All right, that's it.
Mm-hmm.